That's the Jamaican impatiens. Those are impatiens. I don't remember what these flowers are. All new additions. There's some white orchids. More new additions. More orchids. Those were only about 6 months old. And this one bloomed already. Been putting orchids in the trees all over the place here. Some are blooming, some aren't. Here's one of the little lava tubes. And it's connected to the one in this corner. These are small openings going to a large tube under the yard here. More additions to the yard after clearing out all the weeds. And you can see the kukui nut trees coming in fine. Not so long ago those things were only about a foot tall. This used to be 8-foot tall weeds here. Now it's various things that I've planted. That's a pink rose, hot pink rose bush going up that ohia tree. There you can see the roses. This is the, basically I'm in the middle of where I'm building the custom jungle. Used to be all big 8-foot tall weeds and stuff. And I've been planting all these palm trees. And right there you can see it, that's a chestnut tree. I'm still behind the rock wall. In the front, that's the front rock wall. Now I'm further forward behind the rock wall again. Kept this place fairly clear so I can get in here to work. But then it starts the custom jungle. I've been growing all kinds of things. And of course that big green thing with the red flowers, that's the hibiscus, the state flower. But I've been putting in different colors of that hibiscus since I moved here. So I've tried putting in red, yellow, orange. There's another one. That there is a bluebird of paradise. Here's some of the storm damage where it knocked down the tree. So I cut it off. There's the rest of the tree. It got propped up with climbing vine I put in. That's why I propped the stump back up. So it's maybe 15 feet tall. 10 feet, 12 feet tall. This is a yellow ohia tree right here, although there's no flowers blooming now. Over there, palm trees, then comes yellow ohia, then the salmon colored ohia. The salmon colored ohia is the one the forestry department's been cloning. I gave them 1 million seeds. They've got lots of little keiki plants, and they didn't give me any of the keikis. They just sold them for $7 a piece. So now I'm collecting my own seeds, hence the ladder sitting there. And the fruit of the trees are red. Okay, now I'm on the inside yard from the custom jungle. There's the custom jungle growing. Let's see. There's one of the Malabar chestnut trees right there. Another one there. And further over there is the largest of them. But the custom jungle, that's the ulu tree, breadfruit. And you can see the kukui nuts. They go along that kukui nuts line, the walkway, and other trees. Here's a native Hawaiian plant, I don't know what it is. More native Hawaiian. Here's the triangle palms I planted. They were about 3 feet tall when I started. They're coming in fine. Okay. There's my cane plant, triangle palms, other stuff. The front ohias, red, salmon, and yellow. More triangle palms that I put in. I forget what the hell that's called. Another thing. Those things there are ornamental pineapples. So they'll pop up pink, bright pink colored pineapples. There's my custom jungle coming in. There's the cross path that goes across the yard. The kukui nut trees. I'm looking to the entrance of the path from the driveway side, midway down the driveway. There it goes off to the house. Compost. I don't know what these are called either. It's very nicely scented flower grows on those. There's a red ohia. Looking back into the yard. Here's these Douglas firs. And back to the bamboo. That's what it is, bamboo bush. Clumping bamboo. Also, you can see right there, that's an areca palm. I put a bunch of those on the border line. Hopefully they'll grow about 15 feet tall and create a wall. Okay, there's the chicken barn, avocado tree. Behind the avocado is rambutan. Behind that is actually a small orange tree planted about 2 years ago. The house, catchment, thing dead center. That's sugar cane, the Hawaiian sugar cane. Right there you can see the edge of the goose pond, which also has fish in it. Got to finish piling up rocks around there so you don't see the plastic so much. There's another avocado tree. There's my pile of cinder. I haul that all over the place when I'm planting. There's a lychee tree. Off behind the lychee, there's the grapefruit. I don't know if there's a grapefruit. That's the grapefruit tree. Behind the grapefruit is star fruit. Center in the back is another lychee. Center forward, I'm not sure what it is, but it's another food tree. Now we're looking at another star fruit tree here. Directly behind the star fruit tree is one of the, I think is the male egg fruit. And then the female egg fruit is that one right there. There's the bananas, or compost bins. I don't know what this one is up close. There's an orange tree. That's about 2 years old. I planted 3 of them, and that's the only one that's produced any oranges. It's giving me a couple oranges. This one, second largest one. Third one's just a stick in the ground. There's my tangerine tree. Now we're looking at the loquat tree. Those are loquat. They do grow and reach too. There's the bananas again. There's a house way up there. This is basically a driveway coming right down with some trucks can get in here to bring in cinder. This is the part where I haven't dumped cinder in, so it's lower than where I'm standing. There you can see the edge of the cinder. But I'm chopping out all the weeds from over there. Got most of the weeds taken out in this section, but you can see them building up here. It's quite thick with weeds. But that's going to be about the last to go, since there's not much I can do in there. But as I come back here, you can see cutting down trees, trying to save the ohias. Another food tree, I have no idea what that is. On back here. So this is where I've been hacking out albizia with a hatchet and a little handsaw. As soon as I finish that little bit back there, I'm about halfway through. Finish those, might even have an ocean view. Can almost see the water from here. See, like that tall weed tree, that's on my neighbor's property. There's the back lychee tree. Again, there's the grapefruit tree. Right there. This right here, another avocado tree. Yeah. There again is something I don't know what it is. That's the star fruit.